Every single day, we're bombarded with buy this, try that, from coffee on every corner to the latest gadget or trending fashion. People are always trying to sell us something. But what if you're one of the millions silently living in pain, day after day, debilitating, unrelenting? You're not looking for another thing to buy. You're searching for relief, something no one's ever offered you until now. Welcome to the world of stem cell phototherapy, a new frontier in wellness, a future that begins with a tiny FDA-approved patch. Working with your body's natural healing processes, no needles, no drugs, no chemicals, just your own body light, activating the very stem cells inside of you that are designed to heal, restore, and rejuvenate. Thousands of people are already regaining their lives, free from the daily torment of pain. But that's just the beginning. Stem cell phototherapy is also helping reduce signs of aging, improving quality of life, and supporting those with cognitive challenges and long-term illness. It's not just about pain relief. It's about total balance, mind, body, and energy. Imagine erasing pain, like erasing a mistake. Gone for good. If you're ready to move beyond disorder, to restore balance to your body, to reclaim your health and joy, reach out to the person who shared this video with you. They care enough to show you a way out. Now it's your turn to step into the life you were always meant to live. Erase pain, restore health, balance your life. Contact the person who gave you this video today.